Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering a huge question in tech: what is the difference between traditional automation and an AI agent? It sounds complicated, but it is actually really simple once you see how they work. Think of traditional automation like a train on a track. It follows pre-written, step-by-step rules. If you set it to do a task, like sending an automatic receipt email every time someone buys a product online, it does that exact step perfectly every single time. But what happens if something unexpected happens? If the data is slightly messy or missing, traditional automation usually breaks because it only knows strict if this then that rules. Now, let's talk about AI agents. An AI agent is more like a helpful assistant that understands a final goal rather than just a list of steps. Instead of giving it strict instructions, you give it an outcome you want. For example, if a customer emails a messy complaint message, an AI agent can read the email, understand the problem, check the user's account history, and decide the best solution, like drafting a personalized response or issuing a refund. So why doesn't traditional automation adapt like that? Traditional tools use fixed logic where every single path must be programmed in advance. AI agents use large language models and reasoning to figure out steps on their own. This makes AI agents amazing at handling open-ended tasks like reading unstructured documents or having natural conversations. But here is the cool part: real companies actually use both together. Traditional automation handles exact, critical tasks where zero mistakes are allowed, like processing a credit card payment. Meanwhile, the AI agent handles the complex decision-making and smart planning. Together, they create powerful systems. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand AI agents, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.